Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing Apple Maps to Google Maps. Alright, starting off with Apple Maps, you get standard, satellite, and hybrid views of the Earth. There's also a button located in the upper left-hand corner for current location that will, when you click it, take it to your current location, wherever that may be. Apple has also boasted their incredible feature called Flyover, where you can fly over something in 3D. Here I'm flying over the Eiffel Tower, which you can see looks relatively decent, but at the same time pretty glitchy with Flyover. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't look great, and it could definitely use some improvement. However, while Flyover may not be the feature everyone is looking for, Apple does an excellent job with directions, from getting to point A to point B. Apple provides you with great turn-by-turn instructions, and can prepare you for when to take your exits at the correct time, and accurately shows you where you are while you are driving. When you drop a pin on Apple Maps, you have a nice dropped pin animation, and when you click on the info button, it'll tell you how far the pin is from your current location, the address of the dropped pin, and it will give you the option to add to bookmarks, add to contacts, get directions to the dropped pin, or report a problem. Now, as I mentioned Flyover previously, there's a compass at the bottom right-hand corner of Apple Maps. The compass obviously acts as a compass and points to north and south, and when you click the compass, it'll take you into Flyover, as well as clicking the 3D button at the top of the screen. I found Apple Maps really fun to zoom around with their touch controls, which are designed to work well with the Apple Magic Mouse and the Magic Trackpad. Also, when you zoom all the way out in either satellite or hybrid mode, there's a fantastic 3D view of the Earth. The Earth displays the shadow of when it is daytime and when it is nighttime from where the sun is, and it can show you the lights of the buildings that are lit up during the dark. You can also bookmark locations from your dropped pin for quick and easy access in the future. I found this to work quite well and to be very convenient. You can also share these bookmarks with your other devices, such as your iPhone or iPad. A huge plus for Apple Maps is that it's included on all your devices. It's built in on your iPhone, your iPad, your computer, and your iPod. Overall, Apple Maps is a decently nice service that works consistently well throughout all of the devices. But how does it stack up to Google Maps? Well, it doesn't. Google Maps blows the competition out of the water in every way, shape, and form. You get much more information about the places you search for, and Street View provides a view of the location, so when you arrive there, you know what you're looking for. Google has also incorporated 3D buildings into their maps, taking from the idea of Flyover that Apple had. Now, while Google's 3D buildings are not available everywhere in the world, as shown here in the Eiffel Tower, I personally found Apple's Cupertino headquarters to look much better in 3D on Google Maps than it did on Apple Maps. Google also has a great feature where you can zoom all the way out in either satellite or hybrid mode and have a great 3D view of the entire planet Earth. Google also includes the Sun and the Milky Way in this experience, which I found to be stunning and a stellar addition to Google Maps. So what's the bottom line? Is it Apple Maps or Google Maps? I personally found that Apple Maps was slightly easier to use and it worked well. However, Apple Maps cannot be compared to the elegance and beauty of Google Maps. Experience Google Maps today at google.com/maps. Apple Maps is constantly being updated to work much better, and it does now than when it did. Apple Maps works much better. Apple Maps mercs. It mercs. That's what it does. It mercs. It just mercs.